Alright, we want to solve for v here. First thing we need is this thing set equal to 0, which is nice. We already have it set equal to 0. So next thing we want to do is we want to try to factor. And anytime you factor it, we want to try to take out a greatest common factor first. So in this case, it looks like 6 is going to be the greatest common factor. So that's 6 times, and then what's left over for the first term is a v squared. The second term looks like this. It's a 10v, and then the third term is a 21, and that's still equal to 0. So at this point, we've got it broken down as far as we can, as far as greatest common factors go. So we want to try to factor this trinomial, this thing that has 3 terms up here, into 2 binomials. So first 2 terms that are going to be multiplied are v times v, and then I want to look at factors of 21. So I got 1 and 21. That's not going to give me a difference or sum of 10. 3 and 7. And this is going to be the one, if I add the 3 and the 7, I can get a 10. So those are going to be my 2 numbers. This one is a nice easy one because both signs are positive. So there's my factored form. So last part of this is that zero product property. I've got some stuff that's multiplied together and it's equal to 0. So I know that one of them has to be 0. So my options are either 6 is 0, which makes no sense, or v plus 3 is 0, which is one of my possibilities, and then the other one is v plus 7 is 0. So go through and solve for v. I'll get v equals -3 or v equals -7.